Good afternoon, I'm Sylvia, the Crafty Old Lady, and today I am working on day 14 and 15 of Junk Journal January 2025, and this is hosted by Meg Journals. She has a channel here on YouTube, and if you use the hashtag Junk Journal January, you can see other people's creations. They were all making the same thing on the same day. For the most part. And it's kind of nice to get ideas from other people and see what they thought of the prompts and how they interpreted the prompts. So I am using this as my neutral background, and I'm going to glue it right to this. I want to keep this page blank. Maybe I might put something on it at some point, but I don't want to totally cover it up. So what I'm going to do now is, oops, watch my pen there. I'm going to glue the back of this, and I also did use this stamp to put some writing on this background. So we're going to put the glue all over this. I'm gluing on top of a Dollar Tree plastic cutting board, and I hope I have enough glue on there. So I'm just going to kind of cover this up. I think it needs to come over a little bit. And this is my background, my neutral background. And I thought that what more of a neutral flower can you get than, I think this is yarrow, or maybe it was Queen Anne's lace. I don't know, but I thought I could put this here. But first, I think maybe I want to put a couple of other little things underneath there. And I'm going to use another stamp to maybe go on each side to balance it out. And I'm going to use these neutral flowers on each side as balance. I also might want to include maybe a couple of pink and yellow flowers. They're pretty neutral, but they'll add a little tiny bit of color. And maybe that would be a balance, you know what I mean? A little bit of color with a little bit of neutral. I'm wondering if I put maybe just a little bit of music paper underneath, just a little bit, to see how that would look. I hope you're all happy, healthy, and safe, and let's get into it. Alright, so I have got this music paper and this ledger paper, and I thought if I put one of them up here and one of them down here, that kind of balances out the collage. But I am going to ink around the edges. That I am going to do. Now, we have had some gloomy weather. We had one nice day of sunshine, and that was it in the last month practically. So it's getting kind of depressing because it's so gloomy. So I talked to Bethany every night, and she told me that someone named Eileen took her to see Moana. I think I'm going to just tear this up a little bit. And they were going to go to Applebee's, but she decided she wanted to go to McDonald's instead, so they did that. And then they went to Walmart and got a watch, and she saw her brother Nate in Walmart, and that was exciting for her. And even her brother was kind of happy to see her there in Walmart. It was cute. When he told me about it, it was cute. So anyway, they both were excited to see each other, or happy to see each other in Walmart. Let's put it that way. Maybe not super excited, but you know what I mean. And so this one's going to go down first. And so she's doing good. She's coming. My husband's recuperating from surgery, so she didn't come home this weekend, which is a little bit, I don't know, I miss her. But she'll be coming next weekend, so that'll be good. And we're going to put that like that. This is going to kind of go on the bottom, so let's do that. I am ended up, my husband got a fever after his surgery, so he ended up in the emergency room on Sunday, or was it Saturday? Saturday. And this is Monday. But he was fine. There wasn't really any real explanation for the fever, except like a couple of his incision sites were pretty red, and so they thought maybe an infection was starting, but there wasn't really an infection yet. So I guess we nipped that in the bud. So this is going to go like this, and then I was thinking of doing this, but I'm wondering if I just want to add some flowers instead. Yeah, I think I'm just going to add some flowers on each corner, and that'll kind of balance out too. So let me get my Fabri-Tac, and this is 2 days, 2 prompts, and I said they were balance and neutral. So this is a very neutral background, and I'm going to take a couple of pinks and a couple of yellows. I don't think I want the purple. And then a couple of neutrals. And we will get this neutrally balanced. Okay, there's a couple there. I'm thinking we've got one of each there. There's 2. Maybe I'll have 3 neutrals and 2, 1 white, or 1 yellow and 1 pink. So let's see if I can make kind of like a corner cover. I'll cover the corner with some flowers and see how that looks. So we've got that. Let's put a yellow right here. Pink, and then maybe like that. Oh, that one doesn't have the circle thing. And then I'm thinking maybe just like right in the middle there. So there we have that corner, and now I'm going to balance it out on this corner. It is always fun to see how other people create this using the same prompts. Oh, I didn't realize all 3 of them are in a row there, the 3 neutrals. Alright, well that's okay, I guess. Let's see. Yellow. Pink. And then the other neutral one inside. Where'd it go? Alright, so I think that's it. I think that looks pretty good. I could also maybe put this over here and over here, but I'm afraid if I do, I'll ruin it. I'm going to do it anyway. Maybe even not just on one side. I don't know. Let's do it. I feel like it's lacking something. Okay, so there we have it. Let's see how it looks here. Okay, not bad. I think I'm going to leave it off of that side. These are my balances. Thanks so much for watching. Oh, I should write I think I'm just going to write the prompt numbers on the bottom. I'm not going to put them on anything. What was it? 14 and 15. Let's just... It's a very dark brown. It almost looks black. But there's my prompt 14 and 15, and I don't like how it looks. Yeah, I don't like how that looks, so I made a new one. And I even found the and sign. I think I couldn't find that last time I used these stamps to put on a prompt number. But I like this much better. So that's going to go there. And I've already started creating my next one, but let's save that for another video. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.